Today, I am reviewing the COSORI TurboBlaze 9-in-1 air fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile, high-performance appliance, the COSORI TurboBlaze 9-in-1 air fryer is a game changer. Designed to make healthy cooking easier, faster, and more flavorful, this air fryer combines innovative technology, precise controls, and generous capacity to deliver professional-level results in your home kitchen. Starting with the TurboBlaze technology, this air fryer uses a powerful 3,600 RPM fan to circulate hot air evenly throughout the cooking chamber. This ensures that your meals come out perfectly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, without the need for excessive oil. In fact, you can enjoy your favorite fried dishes with up to 95% less oil, making it ideal for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste. The 6-quart square basket is thoughtfully designed to maximize cooking space while maintaining a compact footprint, so it fits comfortably on most countertops. Whether you're cooking for a family or meal prepping for the week, the COSORI TurboBlaze provides enough space to handle everything from chicken wings and fries to vegetables, baked goods, and even desserts. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its precision temperature control, which ranges from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This, combined with 5 fan speeds and 4 turbo modes, allows you to cook a wide variety of foods with exact timing and temperature for perfectly even results. From roasting and baking to dehydrating, broiling, reheating, and even proofing bread, the TurboBlaze is versatile enough to replace multiple kitchen appliances. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the non-stick ceramic basket and Dishwasher-Safe accessories. You won't have to spend long scrubbing sticky residue, giving you more time to enjoy your meals. The air fryer also operates quietly, under 53 decibels, even on the highest fan speed, ensuring a comfortable kitchen environment. Another thoughtful touch is the Customizable Preheat Function, which automatically adjusts based on your cooking temperature. This ensures your food starts cooking under the perfect conditions, whether you choose to preheat or skip it for convenience. And for anyone new to air frying, the included recipe book with over 30 chef-curated recipes makes it easy to get started and try new dishes without any guesswork. Safety and convenience are built in, with features like automatic pause when the basket is removed and auto-resume when you return it. This ensures that your cooking process is uninterrupted and safe, giving you full control of your meals. In conclusion, the COSORI TurboBlaze 9-in-1 air fryer 6QD is more than just an air fryer. It's a complete kitchen solution that combines speed, precision, versatility, and health-conscious cooking in a single appliance. With its TurboBlaze technology, large capacity, multiple cooking functions, and easy cleanup, it's perfect for busy families, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking to enjoy crispy, flavorful, and healthy meals every day. If you're serious about upgrading your cooking experience, this air fryer is a must-have addition to your kitchen.